The secret world of springtails, nature's tiny recyclers. Have you ever looked closely at a handful of damp soil or decaying leaves and noticed tiny specks of life jumping around? Those are springtails, scientifically known as Collembola, despite their minuscule size, usually measuring between 1 to 3 millimeters. These ancient creatures play a monumental role in our planet's ecosystem. Today, let's take a 3-minute journey into their fascinating life cycle and survival mechanisms. 1. The leaf litter acrobats. First, are they insects? Actually, no. While they look like bugs, scientists classify them as hexapods because of their internal mouthparts. Their most famous feature is their tail, called a furcula. This is a spring-loaded structure tucked under their abdomen. When threatened, the furcula releases like a mousetrap, launching the springtail up to 100 times its body length into the air to escape predators. It's an evolutionary masterpiece of survival! 2. From egg to adult, the life cycle. A springtail's life is a continuous cycle of growth and shedding. The egg. It begins with tiny, translucent, pearl-like eggs laid in damp, dark crevices. Under a microscope, you can watch the embryo develop from a clear bubble into a fully formed baby. The nymph. Unlike butterflies, springtails undergo simple metamorphosis. When they hatch, they look like miniature, white versions of their parents. The continuous molt. As they grow, they must shed their exoskeleton molt. What makes springtails unique is that they continue to molt throughout their entire lives, even after reaching adulthood. They can molt up to 40 times! 3. Guardians of the soil. Why should we care about them? Springtails are the ultimate cleanup crew. They feed on decaying organic matter, fungi, mold, and bacteria. By doing so, they break down nutrients and make them available for plants. Without these tiny recyclers, our forests would be choked under piles of dead leaves, and soil health would collapse. Conclusion. Though virtually invisible to the naked eye, the springtail is a giant in the ecological world. From their acrobatic escapes to their tireless soil cleaning, they prove that in nature, the smallest creatures often carry the heaviest responsibilities.